Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be another video in my weight loss series on how I lost over 40 pounds in under 3 months. Each week I've been talking about one of my tips to help you guys also strategize to show you how I lost weight to get fit and fab. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I lost 40 pounds through my workout routine. Also going to give you guys the secrets to my after workout green juice protein shake. If you want to know more, just keep watching. So when I have a large amount of weight to lose in a short amount of time, I tend to look towards the elliptical machine, and I really love the elliptical machine because it offers so many benefits for weight loss and more. The elliptical actually offers the benefit of a low impact workout while exercising both your upper and your lower body. It's very forgiving to your joints, and it's going to help you burn so many calories because you're moving so many different muscle groups. Starting out, I like to just do it first thing in the morning and get in 30 minutes. Eventually, I work myself up to doing it an hour, maybe every other day or every day. If you are super serious about losing a large amount of weight in a short amount of time, the elliptical is going to be your best bet, and try to do at least 30 minutes as much as you can. It's very relaxing actually, and it's easy on your joints. You can multitask while you do it. I watch Real Housewives, so my favorite workout right now. Another great form of cardio that I love is the treadmill. I like to do intervals of walking and sprinting. So I start off walking at a 3 speed, and then I speed up to run at a 7. So I'll run there for a few minutes, and then I will bring it back down to the level of 3, and I'll walk again. And I'll do that for a few minutes, and then I'm eventually going to bring it back up to around a 6. But I do this because I start off walking, running, and each time I run, I bring the speed down a notch. So that's why I like to call this a pyramid. But it gives you time to recover and kind of catch your breath and have a sip of water, and then you're revved back up again. This is really good for high intensity and helping you lose fat. At the end of your workout, it's really important to replenish your body with nutrients and protein, and what I did was I started using this green juice by Organifi. It's a dried superfruit powder, and it's got a ton of good stuff in there for you. It hydrates and revitalizes, balances out hormones. There's no fillers or additives. It has alkaline to help relieve occasional stress, and so much more. So I will put some ice and some water. I'll add a scoop of protein, and then I add my green juice mix. I blend it all up. Love this because it's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, it's vegan, and it's super easy to use because all you do is mix a scoop of it in water, and you can stir it or shake it and blend it. That's what I do, and take it on the go. It comes out less than $2 per day, so it's an amazing way to end your workout. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned some tips for your fitness routine and weight loss. The green juice will be on a discount, and I will leave the coupon code below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.